everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is this cob corn recipe done in air fryer. I used very less ingredients to make this, but tastes really good because I used an Indian spice chicken masala to bring this recipe to next level. So let's see how to do this. Here I've taken one packet of sweet cob corn. This is already cooked. So here I'm taking 1 tablespoon butter, salt per taste, half tablespoon of chicken masala. I will mention the chicken masala I used here in the description below, and half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can take paprika also. Mix it well and pour this mixture to this cob corn. Brush it like a cob on the corn. You just take in your hand and brush it, or else you can just put it like I did. And air fry it at 385 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Very nice recipe, tastes super good, and each bite of the sweet corn was very tasty because the chicken masala that I added brings it to next level. You sprinkle some lime juice over it and it is very tasty. Perfectly done. The desired consistency that I want, the texture I want it to be roasted. It's done. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon in my new video. Till then, bye bye and take care.